We'll guide you through how to run a Python project downloaded from GitHub. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're heading over to Pausa, who's going to continue with the guide.
Now the first thing that we need is the project itself. So just go ahead and open your browser and then go to github.com and then sign in with your account. Now just go ahead and go to the GitHub repository that you want to download. So let's say I want to download and run this particular Python demo. So I'll just go inside the repository, and then once the repository is opened, at the top you will see an option called as code. Just click on the drop down. In here you will get two options. You will get to download it as a zip file, which downloads all the project file directly to your computer. The second option is to copy the repository URL if you want to clone it using Git. Both methods give you the same project, so you can use whichever that you want to prefer. So for this tutorial, we are going to be going with HTTPS. So for this method, you will need Git. So just go ahead and open a new tab and just go ahead and search for Git, and after that hit enter. Just go to the official website for Git and choose to install for your operating system. And here select your operating system and then click on this particular link to download, and your setup.exe file will be downloaded. After that, just go ahead and run the setup process. It is pretty simple. Now once that you have done that, just go ahead and open your file explorer and just go ahead and create a new folder for your project. So I'm just gonna go ahead and create a new folder and call it something like Python project. After that, just go ahead and hit enter twice and go inside the folder, and in the address bar just go ahead and type cmd and hit enter to open command prompt in this particular folder. Now here just go ahead and type the following command. Just type git space clone space and go to your GitHub and click on the drop down for code and copy the HTTPS URL, and then go to command prompt and press Ctrl V to paste it and hit enter. Git will now download the repository into the new folder inside your current location. So I'm just gonna go ahead and view it. So here I have my Python project, and you'll see inside the Python project there is a folder labeled as Python demo, and here we have all the files that we cloned. Before running the project, you will also need Python installed on your computer. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then in the new tab just go ahead and search for python.org and hit enter. Now hover over the download section, and here you will see the Python version. So basically just go ahead and click on it, and now your setup.exe file will be downloaded. So open your file explorer and go to the downloads folder, and now here just go ahead and reload if needed, and now you should see Python setup.exe file. Just go ahead and double click on it to run the setup wizard, and here make sure you toggle on use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and add Python to path is selected, and then click on customize installation. Here you can leave most of the options at default and click on next. In here you can select your installation directory and click on install. Just click on yes if prompted, and now your setup process will begin. So just wait for it to complete. After that you can just close it, and let's verify its Python was installed correctly. So just go ahead and open your command prompt by typing cmd, and then in the command prompt just go ahead and type the following command. Just type python space double hyphen and version. After that just go ahead and hit enter. Now if you see a Python version, it means Python has been installed successfully. Now once Python is installed, just go ahead and return to your project folder, and then just go inside your project folder, and then just go to the address bar and left click once and type cmd to open command prompt in this folder. Now here you can just go ahead and type code space dot and hit enter. This will open your project folder directly inside of VS Code. Now before running any Python code, it's a good idea to install the official Python extensions. Just go to the extensions at the side, and then in the search bar just go ahead and search for Python and hit enter. Now you will see Python by Microsoft. Just go ahead and click on it and make sure you install it, and as for me I have already installed, so it is showing on install. After that you can just go ahead and close this. Now let's return to our Explorer. Many Python projects depend on external library that are not included with Python by default. Developer usually list all of this library into the requirement.txt file. So just go ahead and click on it, and here you will see the requirement for me is Baizo. Now let's go ahead and open the terminal by clicking on terminal and new terminal, and then click on trust folder and continue. And now here make sure you are inside the folder. If you are not inside the folder, you can just go ahead and type cd and the folder name to go inside the folder. And now run the following command. Just type python space -m space pip space install space -r space requirement.txt. After that you can just go ahead and press enter. And as for me, I made a spelling mistake, so I'm just gonna go ahead and type requirements, as this is the file name. After that, just go ahead and press enter. This tells Python to use pip, which is Python's package manager, to install every library listed inside the requirement file. Depending on the number of packages, this may take a few moments to finish. Now, if the project does not include a read requirement.txt, don't worry, not every developer provide one. In that case, just open your repository in readme.md, just like so, and look for any installation instruction. And here you will see installation instruction. Just go ahead and follow that and you will be good to go. And once the required library has been installed, you are ready to launch the project. First, identify the main Python file, which in my case is going to be main.py, but it could also be named as app.py or run.py or something else depending on how developer organized the project. To start the application, you can just go to the top and click on this run code icon, just like so, and you will see it will be successfully run in our output tab. Or you can also go to the terminal and just type python space and your Python file name, which in my case is going to be main.py. After that, just go ahead and hit enter. If your project starts successfully, then congratulations, everything has been set up, and that's it.